Maayong hapon sa tanan. So today is our second LGU Awards Night. Ito yung sa mga LGU Treasurer's Office na nagkandak ng calibration ng ceiling and merong mataas na COC, LTO compliance and may boti-boti free awards din tayo. So laking pasalamat tayo sa mga LGU na tumutulong sa DOE.
My colleagues, honored guests, partners from our local government units, and our distinguished city and municipal treasurer, the actors and the actresses of tonight's affair. Ladies and gentlemen, isang makakalikasang umaga at isang hapon at full of energy afternoon at saka magandang gabi na rin sa inyong lahat. Foremost, on behalf of the DOE Mindanao Field Office, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to our second LGU Awards Night.
Downstream Oil Industry Governance, a gathering that highlights not only achievements, but the spirit of collaboration that continues to define and strengthen Mindanao's energy landscape. Let us continue working hand in hand for a safer, more efficient, and more responsive energy sector for Mindanao and the entire nation. Maraming salamat and mabuhay tayo lahat.
In the dust, that is all we are. Some of us give up, some dream of the stars.
Hello, good afternoon po. I would like to thank Department of Energy for this prestigious award. Thank you for recognizing the effort of the municipal government. LGU Mainit had this award. Thank you so much.
Need much, as long as we're together, together, together.
Good afternoon to everyone. In behalf of the Municipal Mayor, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Energy for giving us the opportunity to serve the people through this excellence, this oil industry governance. We were here today to attend this awarding ceremony, and it is our great pleasure, it is our honor to receive this award in behalf of the municipality of Botoran. Thank you and good afternoon.
So ngayon, ang araw na ito o gabi, mamaya is awarding sa mga LGU partners natin na tumutulong sa Department of Energy. So thank you sa mga LGU. Congratulations.
In behalf of the LGU Uzamis, I would like to express my gratitude to the Department of Energy for giving us this opportunity nga mo-apil aning award, the second commendation for Excellence Award in Oil Industry Governance. Mabuhay DOE!
And never let me go. We don't need much.
Kami nagikan sa Municipality of Magsaysay, Davao del Sur, magpasalamaton sa Department of Energy nga giatagan yung oportunidad nga maapil aning awarding.
Maayong hapon sa tanan, ilabi na sa lungsod sa Cabanglasan. Aniaday ko karon diri sa Davao sa Sunny Point Hotel para magdawat sa recognition. Gusto lang nako magpasalamat sa Department of Energy nga na-recognize niya ang effort sa muang Monto or Municipal Treasurer's Office, no?
Daghang salamat sa Department of Energy sa pag-recognize sa Municipality of Cabanglasan isa sa compliance. Daghang salamat yun sa karunay nga pagsuporta, and rest assured on the next years amo pag yung paningkamutan nga mahatag ang dugang pagyod nga serbisyo para sa kalambuan sa Kabanglasan.
This award night is among the key initiatives of the Mindanao Field Office in celebration of the 25th National Energy Consciousness Month with the theme, Energy for Everyone, Bawat Bahay May Enerhiya. As I've said, once again, welcome and thank you for joining us as we honor the excellence and commitment of our standing local partners in the liquid fuels or the downstream oil industry. Mabuhay and God bless us all.
The Department of Energy and on behalf of the consuming public, thank you sa inyo lahat for helping us in protecting the consumers, lalo na sa pagsugpo ng mga under-delivering violations. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin natin yung pagtutulungan and we will continue providing you training. So with that, thank you and congratulations.